In this video I will show you how can you change your Facebook password. It's very easy to change your Facebook password. You can see here change option. You have to simply put here your current password, and then you have to put here your new password, and then you have to put your new password again. So it's very easy. And if you forget your current password, then I will put a video link on description for where you can find your current password. So for changing your Facebook password, you have to simply go here on your Facebook. You can see here I am simply on my Facebook app. After come here your Facebook, you have to simply click here three line, and then you have to scroll down for a little bit, and then you can see here settings and privacy. From here you have to simply click here settings. After clicking here settings, you have to simply click here account center. After clicking here account center, you have to simply click here password and security, and then you have to click here change password. After that you have to click here your profile, as you want to change your Facebook password. Then you have to put here your current password, and then you have to give her new password, and then you have to retype your new password. Then you have to change, click here change password. For changing your password, you have to know that if you change your Facebook password within 60 days, no longer 60 days, you cannot change it again. So you have to change it after 60 days, and if you change it today, you will cannot change it within 60 days again. So this is today's video, and if you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. And thank you so much for watching the video till the end.